Good morning, my children. This morning I'm going to read you a story of a father's love. Do you ever think about all the things your parents do for you? Because they love you, they want you to have everything you need to grow up into happy, healthy adults. A warm home, plenty of food to eat, and clothes to wear. They also want to teach you about right and wrong and how to be kind and loving to others. But sometimes parents aren't around to give their children what they need. When Johnny was only 7 years old, he was living alone on the streets of a little town in Bolivia. His mother had died and he didn't have anywhere to go or anyone to take care of him. So he started hanging out with some bigger boys who were always getting into trouble. Soon Johnny was in trouble too, and when Johnny got older, it only got worse. Then one day, a pastor told Johnny that he needed to change. He told Johnny that Jesus loved him and wanted to put Jesus first in his life. And so Johnny said, I took his advice, and since then I'm no longer like I used to be. Just like the father in the Bible who was so happy when his runaway son returned to him, Johnny's heavenly Father is happy that Johnny turned his life around and came to him. Because of his heavenly Father's love, Johnny is a new and different person. And this is a picture of Johnny and his family today. And there's a picture of Bolivia. Okay, today I'm going to explain to you the difference between a prism and a pyramid. A prism has two parallel bases. A base is at the bottom or the top. These bases are exactly the same distance from one another. The side faces are all rectangles. Here is another prism, but the base is a pentagon, so we call it a pentagonal prism. Do you see that all the side faces are also rectangles? So we call a prism by the base. This is a pentagonal based prism. This is a square based prism. Here we have a hexagonal based prism. This is a trapezium based prism. Do you see? These are trapezium. And once again, this side faces are rectangles. Okay, this is a rectangular based prism. Do you see the difference between a rectangular based prism and a square based prism? The base is a rectangle and that base is a square. A cube is not a prism because the side faces are squares, not rectangles. The cube consists of 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is another shape we can learn today. It's a cube. The pyramid, on the other hand, has only one base. It's also called by the base. This is a square-based pyramid. The pyramid meets at the top, which is called the apex, and the side faces are triangles. I have included a chart for your parents and for you to see all the different pyramids and prisms. I want you to go into your house and find different shapes. Let's revise yesterday's shapes. This is a cylinder, sphere, cone, ovoid, and ellipsoid. Can you see that? Here we have some pyramids. It's a square-based pyramid, pentagonal-based pyramid, hexagonal-based pyramid, triangular pyramid, octagonal pyramid, and here are our prisms. Triangular prism, square-based prism. You can also turn it that way. Doesn't matter whether the picture is lying on its side or on its base. It's still a square-based prism. Pentagonal-based prism, hexagonal prism, pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism, and an octagonal prism. Okay, my babies, enjoy your day. Remember to get your things ready for our fairy castle tomorrow. You need at least one box and maybe some empty toilet roll containers, even the long rolls if you have one of those, and paper because we're going to cut some circles to make the cones on top of our turrets. Until tomorrow, bye-bye.